Hi, this is Javier coming at you with a quick video about an event that we're going to be holding on Saturday, February the 2nd at the Artesia Training Center. Now keep in mind that this is a private event and only open to agents that have the list I'm going to describe to you here in the next few minutes. This is not related to HMAC or Radian Mortgage Bank. This is something being done under the Real Estate Marketing Academy hat, if you would. And the essence of this is showing you how to generate a steady stream of mortgage leads from the best possible sources, which are real estate agents. As a matter of fact, this is how most of you came across me, which is through email marketing, and we're going to take it one step further here as well. Now, the beauty about working with realtors is that you can offer to work with them at their open houses and be the in-house lender, which leads to tons of leads, of course, by doing that, or just simply letting the realtors out there know that you have a closing cost assistance program that can help them close more deals, get more people in homes, and make more money every single month. Or, of course, just simply being the go-to mortgage loan originator for real estate agents that can lead to a steady stream of leads for you as well. The challenge is, how do you generate a lead of realtors that you can use to market to them and make them aware of your services? And the first way to do it is organically. You go on Google, you just Google for realtors, and you copy and paste phone numbers and email addresses, and that's something that's going to take you literally weeks and weeks and weeks to get even just a few hundred real estate agents. And then the second way, which is my preferred way of marketing, is by just simply buying an actual list containing the information. Now, the downside is that it can be pretty pricey. I found a great place that I use every year for my list, and the 2019 list just came out of real estate agents in California. And the nice thing about this is that this year it contains over 400,000 real estate agents. Almost 100,000 of them come with cell phone numbers, and over 400,000 come with email addresses. So you can reach out to them via phone, via text, via email. And my personal favorite one is through Facebook ads as well. And again, it contains all their information, including the address. And the reason that's important is that you can go ahead and break the list down or organize it, sort it by areas that you want to hit. Now, here's the order form that I had to fill out in order to complete that. And as you can see, it's over almost $1,600. Most agents don't want to or cannot afford that, so they just simply don't do it, but they are far behind. So what I did is I went ahead and I purchased it, and what I'm doing is I'm going to use this at the upcoming workshop on the 2nd of February to teach you how to market to the realtors to generate those steady stream of mortgage leads as well, and I'm offering it to you for just 99 bucks. So if you are interested in this massive list for just $99, do me a favor and just go ahead and follow the instructions I'm going to share with you so you can have access to this. You'll get a zip file, which is something that looks like you see on the screen right now, and then you unzip it and it turns into a folder containing an Excel spreadsheet. It's probably one of the biggest Excel spreadsheets you've seen in your life. And so as you can see, it contains their first name, last name, their area, their office address, the city, the zip code, and you can literally line it up however you see fit. So if I'm working in the Orange County area, I can zoom in on cities, I can zoom in by zip code, or just by county as well. And it's pretty cool because it even tells you what association of realtors they belong, what board they belong to, I should say. So you can just hit them up by board as well. The very valuable information here that again starts with number 1, technically number 2, because the first row is the header, and when you scroll all the way to the end, you end up with number 409,000, which is simply incredible. Now, this is not something that's being offered to the public, it's being offered just to you, and so make sure that you please do not share this with anybody. And again, this is intended to help you jumpstart 2019 by going out there and leveraging the power of this data, but again, it's meaningless if you don't know how to use it. And so we're going to make this available to you and show you how to leverage it during our February 2nd workshop that's only open to people that bought the list. Once you purchase it, you'll receive an email containing the Excel spreadsheet that's actually in a zip file, and then you will be automatically registered for the upcoming event as well. And so anyways, as you can see, if you are interested in this, go ahead and check out. And the way you do that is you just simply scroll to the bottom of the screen. Now, as you can see here, this is from just last night on our Thursday night webinar. We did not have a lot of people on it, but so far 9 out of the 20 spots are gone. So there's only 11 spots remaining. If you're serious about success in 2019, especially in a more efficient manner, this is right up your alley. So just scroll down, you'll see the PayPal logo at the bottom of the screen of this page, and just click on that, check you out, and you're ready to go. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you on February 2nd.